millions of people are still working 9-to-5 jobs, while others are replacing them with AI tools and making more money from home. Here are 5 AI tools that can replace real jobs in 2025 and show you how to work for yourself instead of your boss. Tool number 1, ChatGPT plus Jasper AI. These tools are replacing copywriters and marketing employees. They can write blog posts, product descriptions, and full ad campaigns in minutes. On Fiverr, people are charging $30 to $150 just to write short ad copy using ChatGPT, and clients do not care if it is AI. They just want results. Learn how to prompt it right, and you can do the same from home. Tool number 2, Canva Magic Studio plus Leonardo AI. Graphic designers aren't getting replaced, they're upgrading. These tools can create social media posts, thumbnails, and full brand kits in seconds. On Fiverr, sellers make $25 to $200 per project designing graphics powered by AI. You don't need Photoshop skills. Canva and Leonardo do the heavy lifting for you. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs Pictory. These two are replacing voiceover artists and video editors. ElevenLabs generates ultra-realistic voices in any accent or tone, while Pictory turns text into professional videos automatically. You can offer AI video creation or voiceover narration services on Fiverr and get paid $50 to $300 per video. Faceless YouTube channels are already using this combo every day. Tool number 4, Notion AI plus ChatGPT. Virtual assistants used to handle scheduling, notes, and emails. Now, AI can do all that in seconds. Notion AI organizes tasks, writes reports, and plans projects like a real assistant. Freelancers are charging $15 to $40 an hour. As AI-powered virtual assistants, you can literally build a business managing people. Work with smart tools instead of doing everything manually. Tool number 5, DeepL plus ChatGPT. These tools are replacing translators and customer support agents. DeepL gives human-level translation in over 30 languages, and ChatGPT can write professional email responses instantly. Combine them, and you can offer multilingual customer support, one of the fastest-growing freelance services online. So there you have it, -5 AI tools that can replace real 9-to-5 jobs. But here's the truth. AI isn't here to steal your job. It's here to give you freedom to work on your own terms. Learn to use it before everyone else does, and you'll never worry about a paycheck again. Subscribe for more smart AI tools and side hustle, where money meets modern technology.